There are two types of tests. One is testing for antigen. The second is testing for antibody. The RT-PCR is the gold standard as far as diagnosing a patient with COVID-19 is concerned. Once we have diagnosed a patient, then we track and trace the contacts. Once those contacts are traced, we can isolate, and that is the only way to prevent the spread of the disease. If we find and look around for success stories in worlds that have been able to contain this virus, particularly countries like South Korea, Germany, etc., their main focus has been on testing and contact tracing, and that is the way we've been able to reduce the disease load in these countries. There are two types of tests. One is testing for antigen. The second is testing for antibody. Testing for antigen is the gold standard. The RT-PCR is the gold standard as far as diagnosing a patient with COVID-19 is concerned. This is done with a swab that is inserted into the nose deep inside, and it is swirled around a little bit, and another swab is inserted into your throat. These are then put inside a transport medium and sent for testing and analysis. A report normally takes 1 to 2 days to come, and it tells you clearly whether you have the infection or not, unless there is a false negative or a false positive. False positives can sometimes occur if you have been contaminated with a virus which is very similar to this, or else if the kit is contaminated or there is some problem in the testing process. But what is more important are false negatives. We are seeing false negatives particularly when the test is carried out very early in the disease, when the viral load is low, and that is when the test may turn out to be a false negative. They can also happen again because of an inappropriate kit. The second test that we do is for antibodies. Antibodies are of two types in the human body, particularly which are important for coronavirus: the IgM and the IgE. The IgM antibody starts off early in the nature of the disease. It peaks early and then gradually within 2 to 4 weeks it wanes off. The IgG starts a little later and builds up over a period of time and confers immunity for a much longer period of time. Antibody testing is not so commonly being done in this country because it is not for diagnosis but more for surveillance. It is also being used to pick up patients who will be willing to give their antibodies for convalescent plasma therapy. It is important for you to understand the difference between these tests and also to go to a proper accredited lab which is recognized by the government so that your report is authentic and action can be taken on it.
With over 1 lakh medical experts and the facility to teleconsult, experience clinic-like consultations on Practor.